So once you've installed h2o Flow and launched it, this is how it looks like. And the first step is to import the dataset. So you go to data, import files, and then enter the path to the dataset, and then add the file. And you can see the file and pass. So here you can see the different columns in the dataset. Our last column represents the label column called target, so we make sure this is set to enum, which means it's categorical and not just a mere integer, and then we pass that. Once we have the dataset, we want to split it into train and test. So we split the dataset and we want to have 80% as train and 20% as validation, and our seed is 42. And here we have the 2 frames of the split dataset. The next thing is to train the model. There are different kinds of models. In our case, we chose gradient boosting machine learning model. And the train frame is the 80%, and the test or the validation is the 20%. Our response column is the last column, which is target. And we remove status from being processed in the model because we feel it's irrelevant in predicting risk. Then we build the model. It's pretty fast, it's already done, and we can view the results. And if we go to the validation metrics, we see that the best AUC is 0.7420, and we want to make sure that we get the maximum F2 because that is our metric of consideration for these data sets, and it is 0.7332, which is a fairly good value. Also, we can see the variable importance, and here particularly the checking account status is the variable with the most importance. So basically h2o Flow shows us that it's a very easy and simple way to model data in machine learning.